welcome back to the channel again, and we are back with our second part of the video. So in this video we will be learning about how to comment in Python, and then we will be learning about data types. So let's start with the video. And we know how to open our file. We have our folder over here, Python basics folder. So what we will do is take this one and let's see. Yeah, it opened. So we all knew that, and we had stopped over here only. So we will be starting out with comment portion. So how to comment? Any guesses? If you guys know how to comment, put it down on the comment below, and if you don't know, then you should comment like this. Clear? And the whole line is commented out. So now if I try to run this program, it will show error. See, error. Now I'm removing this one and clearing this one, clear outputs, and then run again, and it done. Clear? So this is how we put any comment. So after that we will be learning about data types. So we have many kind of data types, like characters are there, then boolean, then float, double, and many things are there, like character in many things are there. So what we will do to learn about data types is we will be copying one line of code over here from another display I have. Let's say, let me copy this one, copy, and over here in the line 5th we will be pasting this one. So see, I had used one hashtag to comment this one, and this one also to comment. So say for should I keep this one? No, I should remove this. No, I should comment it out. Comment and comment. So commented. Now see, x, let me give x a value. Value is 1. Okay, so just a second. 1. What we should get means in this text, we let's see, x equals to 1, x holds the value of 1, and we are printing the value of x. Means first we are printing the value of x that we already learned in this part, means the previous video, in the variable portion. And in this video we will be learning the type of x. What is the type of x that we mentioned over here? So I had put x equals to 1. So let's clear it out and run this code. Let's run it. It says that it is a integer. 1 is a what? Integer. Now we should put a point and write 1. Let's see. See, the result is coming that it is a float. So if we are not putting any point over here, it is a integer. If we are putting a point, and then it's a float. And let's say I am taking this one. Let's clear this out, run the code. It's also a float. Clear? So let me put more ones. Yeah, I think it will not run. No, it's running. You have given that after how many? 10 to 12 ones, it had given 2. So they are rounded off and given it as a float. Then let's say remove this one. What is that? Should write supernova. What is this? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess the data type of this one? Let's run it. I think it's a string. Yeah, it's a string. str means string. So let's clear this one. And what more is there? We should do one complex. How we write complex? Let's say 4k. So 4k is a word. No, not 4k. 4k. So let's run this one. coming an error. Why? Because it's not supporting. So the code one. So but the thing is that 4K is a complex word. Okay, so it's a complex one, and that's why it is giving invalid. So let's do one list. Yeah, list. Let's copy this one. Copied, then bracket and Ctrl V. Clear. Let's run this one. It's a list, so it's printing the list inside, and then it shows that it is a data type, that is a list. So anything more? Boolean. Let's remove this one and write true. What is the data type of this true? It's a boolean. If I write over here false, run it. Where? True. What happened? Clear the outputs, run it. Bool. Clear. So true and false are bool. Then anything left. Let's see one tuple. What is tuple? You guys don't know tuple. Tuple is kind of a list. So we are copying this one again and putting a bracket over here. Sure. So this is a tuple. Clear, guys? So in this class today we had learned about data types, and we learned about commenting out. Let's comment this all. Commented and commented. We run. It's nothing. We say print hello world. Okay, hello world. No, not like that. Hello world. Now let's run. Let's say hello world. So everything over here is commented out, and the code that is running is only of this line. Clear? So we have learned about variables, about data types, and about commenting out. So this was about, this is all about our second video, and we are coming back with our third video very soon. Keep with us, keep staying with us, learn with us, and do not forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if any friend of yours or any your brother, sister who is enthusiastic about learning Python, do share it with him or her. Thank you. We will be seeing you in some other video next day or other. So thank you.